going? Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. At the controls is Super Tim. That's right folks, it's the Extreme Flight T-Cub. And it is gorgeous. Look at the size of those wheels folks. Giant bush wheels, all terrain. Folks, sit back, relax. Get ready to get your mind blown, because there's one thing about Super Tim that Super Tim does better than anybody else, and that is fly the hell out of that airplane. Don't forget to piss off the air boss there, Tim. Look at that, perfect flat spin with that T-Cub, folks. That is incredible, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Just stellar. Folks, if you're gonna buy an airplane, go with one of the Extreme Flight T-Cubs. You can't go wrong. Ooh, got a strut off of there. Oh my goodness, folks. Lost a strut. Yep. Emergency landing here. Emergency landing. Look at that, folks. Super Tim's got it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let's see if he can do it without tearing up the wing. Will he do it, ladies and gentlemen? Hold on to your seats. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. We call that a lost strut butter landing right there, folks. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. All right, folks, continue our coverage here of this amazing T-Cub. Super Tim got the strut fixed. He's going back up, so sit back, relax. Oh, struts are off, ladies and gentlemen. Struts are off. This will be great. He's living life on the edge. Sit back and relax and enjoy the flight, folks. Into the clouds he goes. Uh-oh. Tim has disappeared. What the heck? What? Oh, darn it. Where'd he go? There he is. Sorry, folks, had to cut away there for a second. I couldn't see where he went to. There you go. Work that one wheel, that one wheel. All the way home. at that, folks. Very nice. 3-point butter right there, folks. 3-point butter. Because there's nothing better than 3 points of butter.
Yeah, thanks. Up and down on one beat. So,
oh.
Yeah.
Oh, back up again.
Oh, me too. Took forever. Hi, good to see you. How are you doing? That's the T-Cub, right? It is. It is. So we're down to that today. Surprise! This is actually off a full scale ski. So yeah, when we saw down on Rockwell back. Instead of elk, we put our little teddy bear T-Cub on it for carry. So, yeah.
And the Super Tim T-Cub.
Oh yeah, that's the right end number. Yeah, look at this blanket. He doesn't know the tail slide. Oh! Damn, he's trying to take the title. Maybe he's Super Tim now. I don't know. right.
Folks, they've changed pilots at this time, so Super Tim's no longer at the control. Someone else is doing it, but
That's
they're
Super Timmy, yeah.
it's working the magic.
That thing sounds weak.
Yeah. RE3's on a 178. We got a little finishing ignition on it, but it's fine. Right now, everything from China's
I know. We got it can't play. I see it sitting in the dock for the last month now.
Well, that's the other thing too. Like, is it just on like release, or is it like how are they deciding these things?
I have no idea.
I've heard both ways. I've heard it's when it's shipped, that's what the fee is, and when it's land, that's what the fee is. Like nobody knows. They're just making
I know they're holding ours, but I think something was mislabeled. I don't know.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Folks, we're going to call that bush wheel butter right there. Bush wheel butter. Super Tim had 3-point butter. The pilot in charge. It's got bush wheel butter, folks. Bush wheel butter. There you go. What a great plane. Fantastic, folks. Check it out. Flex Innovations, or not Flex Innovations. Good Lord Almighty, he's going to kill me. Extreme Flight. Extreme Flight. T-Cub. And they're coming out with a smaller version too. So if you don't want something quite this big, I know they're going to have a smaller version as well. Oh, back up again. All right, here we go.
Can I try? Oh, it's so good in the air.
Trailer? With all your planes?
I really hope it's here. Yeah, man. As soon as she sparked up, he'll come out.
Oh, slow rolling it. Slow rolling it. Slow rolling it. He slow rolled a Cub. Goodness. Folks, the jet was trying to take off and he's trying to land or whatever. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at that, folks. Look at that. T-Cub match right there. Oh, I mean, come on now. I've already buttered this landing 2 times. We're going to butter it a 3rd time. 3 times the charm butter, folks. That's 3 times the charm is the butter. Folks, beautiful aircraft. Go buy it. More to come.